Seagull, are you mourning? Softly adrift upon the cellophane air. Sad, slow wind waves undulate, form of feathers rise and fall. Even though nothing blocks our way, the distance between us is too great. Is that a tear in your eye or a raindrop? I get it, it's best to cry alone. No need to be consoled by someone trying their best to extract pain. In the end they fly away, while you're left walking with only one wing the same. Clouds can be heavy laden on a silky sail. Reality is experience in the cage. Who am I to determine such a distance away? Maybe it's your heart's desire to hover in hermit flight, sick and tired of other gulls' squawks and screeches over some begged crumb of bread, tossed by another shadowy creature in need of other species' company. It's not mine to determine. We don't exchange the same language, but a soul understands as you drift with the lifting wind. There is something universal with height left unexplained. Could it be that it's me who is sad, projecting a downy image on a haze flash of troubled ethereal mist, fogging the distance between us? One thought is for sure, I envy your freedom, whether in dolor or ecstasy. No knots tied your feet to the earth. All of heaven is yours to discern.